This 2022 Forest River Salem FSX 179 DBK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, water heater, LP detector, TV antenna, smoke detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, external shower, refrigerator, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Salem FSX 179 DBK is 3,200 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.